Hey guys, this is Disney's Aviation here. I'm here to do a quick video, get a view of my planes. We have Delta, Frontier, Allegiant, Alaska, Hawaiian, and Southwest. Not sure Southwest, but we have Spirit and we also have United. So get a view of those planes really quick. So get a view of Alaska's. And we do have a WestJet too. And out of those planes, we have Alaska Airlines livery, Disney theme liveries, and Spirit in the yellow and white planes. And there's also Black Spirit too. Get a view of them here. It's kind of like a collection. And we have a new US Airlines that I have designed that will be coming out in the near future. Yes. And those airlines look really cool. I really like those planes, so I'm sorry about that. What a great design. I like those planes. Another Spirit 2 of an Allegiant. It's another Frozen plane. And we do have a Delta one. And there's a Delta plane. Yes, there's a Delta plane. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video of my airplane design video. So I'm gonna end the video here. So I'm not gonna go all overview of this. I'm just gonna view the planes over here. So so that's just about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video of my planes design. So I hope you guys like it. So everybody please like, comment, and subscribe. And with that being said, that will be it. And thanks for watching.